Ito sa crush mo. Suspect, inaaway lagi crush niya.
Baka ikaw, inaaway mo lagi si Ann.
Suspect, nakaihi sa shorts ng grade 2. No, ba't mo sinasabi yan, boss? Suspect, bukas ang zipper.
Suspect.
Suspect ano?
Wala, suspect. Mukhang kriminal eh.
Ayos ah. Pag sa akin puro dog show. Suspect, review ng review, ang baba naman ng score. Joke lang.
Suspect. Buraot sa pagkain.
Lo, ikaw yung buraot dito, Anya. Suspect, crush ang tatay ng best friend niya.
Iba na kaya crush ko.
We, sino?
Ikaw.
Ha?
Wala! Suspect. Sinap ko nung grade 1.
Suspect, hindi alam ang bro code. Gaway ba kayong dalawa?
Suspect. Nagsiselos kahit walang karapatan.
Nang yan. Tama na nga, di na nakakatuwa.
Go, Bex. Kaya mo to. Amin na ako. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Oh.
Ano kaya itong binigay niyo?
Init! Anong binabasa mo?
Itong science textbook. Ang ganda ng topic about space eh.
Mahilig ka nga pala sa ganyan.
Boring ba?
Hmm?
Naiinis kasi sila dami yan pag dumadaldal ako tungkol sa ganito eh.
Hindi naman. Sige, kwento ka lang.
Hindi ka na malinilang. Ikaw ang ilaw sa dilim at ang liwanag ng mga bituin.
Ba't siya tumatakbo?
Becky! Becky!
Bakit?
Gusto kita!
Ha?
Hindi! Mahal na ata kita!
Ha?
Kahit di akong gusto mo. Hayaan mo ang gustuin ka.
Ano?
Gagawin ko lahat para magustuhan mo rin ako. Becky! Uy, okay ka lang? Liligawan kita, Becky. Okay lang ba?
Okay. Umuwi na sila at hindi na nakapag-confess si Becky sa sobrang shock.
Ano kaya yung sasabihin ni Becky? Importante, pinayagan niya ang manligaw. Ah! Emil!
Hanya, mag-aral ka na.
Kakaon lang eh. Para naman di pamilya. Tapusin ko lang to.
Ay, tawag ka na, ma. Ito tatapos sa'yo. Isa.
Hihi. Si Ban kasi. Ayaw kayo.
Let it go! Let it go! When I rise like the break of dawn. Let it go! Let it go! That perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Why am I always hit on by the boys I never like. I can always see them coming from the left or from the right. I don't wanna be a priest, I'm just trying to be polite. But it always seems to bite me in the... Ask me for my number, yeah, you put me on the spot. Think that we should hook up, but I think that we should not. Had me at hello, then you opened up your mouth. And that is when it started going south. Oh, get your hands off my hips, wanna punch you in the lips. Stop you staring at my... Hey, take a hit, no you can't buy me a drink. I can tell you what I think you could use a mint. Take a hit, to take a hit. I guess you still don't get it, so let's take it from the top. You asked me what my sign is, and I told you it was stop. And if I had a dollar for every name that you just dropped, you'd be here and I'd be on a yacht. Oh, get your hands off my hips before I punch you in the lips. Stop you staring at my... Hey, take a hit, no you can't buy me a drink. I can tell you what I think you could use a mint. Take a hit, to take a hit. What about no, don't you get so gone?
Ako sa kanyang mga halik, okay lang di maiwasan na mamiss paminsan-minsan. Pero pag kami nagkita, aking panggigigilan, di ko siya titigil.
I check outside, you this in a pretty lady, big bang doesn't make sense. I see God in your face, girl, I mean it. Body love.
Alam mo ba, sinong nagsabi na crush ko siya? Di ko sinabi, alam ba niya ang aking feelings? Alam ko na sa akin siya'y may pagtingin. Paano naman ang aking puso? Damdamin niya ay nakatago. Paano mo ba ito malalaman? Ganon di mo naman ako tinitingnan. Crush kita. Di mo ba nadarama? Crush mo rin kaya ako. Cross my heart, please, I love you.
Divided by
Yeah.
3.
I'm not even gonna
0.64.
Hey, but she didn't press the button.
Jody pressed the button. Go ahead, Quarter J. What's your answer?
0.64.
0.64 is correct! Yeah, I didn't know you were good at math.
Hindi na nga nanalo sa pag-games. Picture frame pa nakuha sa exchange gift!
Ang sakit-sakit sa akin. Kasi gusto ko sumanda. Gusto ko tinagati ang lahat. Nasa may hindi. Pero gusto ko yung maging mabuting tao. Malay ko hindi mo.
We never cry.
Sa mga gas talaga paasa sa heg. Magpasensyahan mo baby, di maawat ang bibig. Sasabay sa balagbagan dito, puro pa ay leg. Habang bitbit ng...
There's a stranger in the pool. There's a stranger in the bar. There's a stranger in the yard. There's a stranger in my car. There's a stranger on the floor. There's a stranger last night. There's a stranger online. There's a stranger... I'm screwed. I love, think about it every time I think about it. Can't stop thinking about it. I'm thinking this is me crying there. This was the very first page, not where the storyline ends. My thoughts will echo your name.
Ready nga pala ng Hamilton Hall. Damian Desmond ng Cecil Hall. Boyfriend mo?
Kadiri, nawakan niya yung kamay na may kulangot.
Diring-diri siya sa akin. Hindi naman pala eh. Kung basta parang joke. Ano? Sige Anya, una na ako ha. Malilate na ako sa next class ko eh.
Sige, bye-bye. Sayon, punta na rin ako sa next class ko.
Please don't be in love with someone else. Please don't have somebody waiting on you.
See?
Tiyakan ko, hindi na ako ipiligaw. Ngayong ito nga sa'yo. Humiling huli ang aking sisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay ginaw.
Demonyo sa impyerno. Eh, nasan? Andito, naka-pink.
Quintana, ding 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 ding, ding 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 ding. Quintana, ding 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 ding, ding 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 ding. Quintana, ding 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 ding, ding 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 ding. Quintana, cái phán yêu em khỏi biết.
The Satan thing that made my heart surrender. And I'm still on a tree. I miss you in the morning light. I never know what
Hindi na naman dalawa, tama na.
I think about you. About you. Do you think I have forgot to you about me?
bad. I missed you so bad before you came into my life. I missed you so bad, and you should know that.
Oo, kasi may Valentine's School event. Valentine's School event? Oo, pero pumasok pa rin daw kasi may attendance. May attendance? Ulit-ulit ka, girl. Ay, babe, sunduin kita bukas ayusan kita para sa event. Bakit? Basta, at saka yung buhok mo nga, ayusin mo. Ito, gamitin mo bukas pag naligo ka. Keratin?
Valentine's Day.
Asa na ba sila? Sumama ka sa amin. Hoy, sino ka? Saan mo ako dadaling? Hoy, anong sinukat niyo sa akin, ha? Bitawan mo nga ako. Di mo ba ako kilala? Sinong si Raulong gumawa ni...
Di ko maiwasan pagmasdan ng iyong larawan kahit di mo mamalayan.
Zion!
Ha?
Ito na ba yung event? Anong gagawin?
Do you, Anya Forger, take Damian Desmond as your husband?
Ha? Husband? Sabihin mo, I do. May price na isang sakong peanuts pag nanalo kayo. Okay. I do.
Do you, Damian Desmond? Ops, bawal umalis, boss. Bayad to.
Hoy, iiwan mo bride mo?
Mamaya kayo sa akin. Do you, Damian Desmond, take Anya Forger as your wife? I do. Ano, hindi ko marinig. I do nga.
Hoy, Desmond, lakasan mo naman. Hindi marinig.
I do. You may now kiss the bride. Ano kiss the bride?
Kiss na yan!
Bahala kayo dyan. Ha?
Di ko maiwasan pagmasdan ng iyong larawan
Tama